This is the first step in setting up your new SMS-iT account. In this step, we'll configure your phone number for text messaging and calls. To begin, click on SMS Gateway and SMPP. You'll see three options: Connect a SIM card, Connect SMS Gateways, or Connect an SMPP Server. To connect a SIM card, click on Connect Simcard. You'll need an Android smartphone with Google Play installed and an active SIM card inside the phone. Follow the 4 steps shown in the pop-up modal carefully. To connect an SMS gateway, click on Connect SMS Gateways. You can choose from any of our 9 supported gateways, including Bandwidth, Vonage, Plivo, SignalWire, Telnyx, Twilio, Ytel, Slooce, and BulkGate. To connect an SMPP server, click on Connect SMPP Server. Then, enter the SMPP host, port, username, and password provided by your SMPP provider. You'll also be asked to provide a sender ID. This can be a name, such as your company name, but it cannot be a phone number. For this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to connect a SIM card, since it's ready to use immediately without requiring a 2P or 10DLC registration. Start by visiting our training portal at Connect SMS AI. Click on Onboarding, then select SMS-iT SIM card integration. We recommend using our tutorials for all gateway integrations, as they provide the exact steps and field values required for a successful setup. Because we're focusing on SIM card integration in this tutorial, follow the steps provided carefully and do not skip any. Skipping steps can result in a failed connection to your SIM card or gateway. Once you've connected your SIM card or any gateway number, refresh your dashboard. You'll see your number appear under the My Numbers section. To assign a friendly name to your number, go to Quick Links and click on Active Numbers, or go to the My Organization section and click on Numbers. Find the number you want to label, click on the current friendly name, enter your desired label, and click Save. This completes the process of assigning a friendly name to your number. The friendly name will appear throughout the platform and is especially helpful when managing multiple numbers. Once again, it is very important that you do not skip any steps during the tutorial. Skipping steps can prevent your SIM card or gateway from connecting properly. If you experience issues, scroll to the bottom of the tutorial page and follow the troubleshooting tips to resolve them quickly. This concludes the setup of your phone number for text messaging and calls. See you in the next tutorial.